Dirty lens.
What I'm doing here is I'm putting and this is completely unnecessary for a new tiny home construction. The only reason I'm doing it is because I already have this material. I might as well use it. I don't want to, not use the material because I already bought it. And basically what the plan is that this kind of makes the whole surface at the bottom straight for me, and it also can act as a base for me to hold my paneling when I start installing the panels, because we'll need it to rest somewhere, right? And so this way I can raise the panels, take my markings, and it's mostly a one-person job, so that's kind of how I'm planning it.
I added another bin for you to fill this kind of greenish stones, because there were some greenish and kind of brownish, so I separated them.
Okay.
So there's reds, kind of greenish, brownish,
So you added an extra
gray.
bucket for me to wash up for today?
Yeah, when you feel like doing that.
Okay.
And thank you, and I'll see you at home.
See you at home.
Yeah.
What's your reason for trimming that, Himanshu?
The wood needs to go down behind it, and I figured I'll just trim it. I didn't think about it when I was installing it. In fact, I should just trim the whole thing.
I noticed that in Curb Your Enthusiasm, Larry David isn't just played by Larry David himself. Did he cast all of the actors who were in real life his friends?
Yeah. Made life easier on himself, right?
Ah, so they were so it's based on his true life story, but
Pretty much, yeah. But something funny is always happening to him.
on set?
Well, basically, I mean, it's a little scripted. It's not all the way exactly the same as his life, but
Sorry.
a little. Yep, right there's good. A little, ever so slightly more.
More?
Oh no, less. Right there. Done. Thank you, sir. That was amazing. Thank you. So this, I'm gluing the edge of my corner trim. I'm basically going to be building a 90-degree corner. Okay. Now I kind of need your help because what we're going to do is we're going to place this precisely to match with this edge.
Mm-hmm.
And unfortunately, I can't do it alone, so I will need your help at this point. Okay, here's what we're doing. Let me talk to you. Because it's very important that the glue doesn't go all over. Well, actually, probably doesn't matter. But it is important how we do this. Yeah. This end needs to match this end on the side. But that end is shorter, because this piece is shorter than this piece. It's not going to match up on the other end. However, we want this edge, okay, to match precisely with this edge, as precisely as possible, if that makes sense. Go ahead. Lift the other end, and as precisely as possible match with the side edge, okay? And don't set it until I ask you to, okay? Okay, I'm gonna set my end first. I'm gonna set my end down first.
Okay,
in there, man. So if you want, you can leave the camera there, because we're gonna put that big corner that we created just moments ago.
Into the house?
So yeah, go ahead. Yep.